Hi, my name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And today is day 16 of VLOGMAS. So if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. So for today, I'm actually on my way to the Gold Diggers Conference, or actually the Gold Diggers Vision Board Party that's hosted by Nikki Watson of the Design Quad. Now, Nikki Watson has one of the top home staging businesses in the DFW Metroplex and also Atlanta. So if you need a home stager with product, this is the lady to contact. So I will link her information in the description box below. Last year I was invited to attend the conference or the workshop, but I was busy. I had an out of the country trip, so I was so excited to go to this one. Now this one, it was fabulous. Now first of all, I was a few minutes late because traffic was crazy, but when I got there, it was great. I mean, there were so many people. I want to say it was like about 75 different people. It was great. There was just so many different people that you can talk to, that you can connect with. So they gave us books and then also poster boards, and basically throughout the workshop or the activities, they had guest speakers, and their guest speakers were speaking about various topics from, you know, manifestation, motivation, finances, basically anything. And they were giving us telling us their stories about how they manifested their life or how they used vision boards to plan their lives and get things that they wanted. Now, I love the whole idea of manifestation. So if you remember a couple videos back when I got the money counter machine, and I'm like, I don't need a money counter machine right now, but I am manifesting that I will in the future. So it's all part of what you put out in the universe, what you ask for. You know, Steve Harvey said, a lot of times you don't get what you want because you don't up your ask. He said if you up your ask, then what you receive will be great. So yes, so in my vision board, I have wonderful things listed. You know, I have things about, I want to spend a month out of the country. I just want to go on vacation and just be there for like a month and not have to rush back or not have to be on a schedule. So these are all very things that you can manifest. These are things that are a vision. You know, working on your marriage, working on your relationship with your children, your relationship with your parents, your relationships at jobs, and different things like that. You know, wanting to be a pro in whatever field you want to be in. For me, you know, I'm really trying hard to work on my social media and my influencing. So those are things that I have on my sheet. One day I am going to get that silver play button. That's one thing I do need to add on my vision board. I want that silver YouTube play button, and I will get it. I'm just waiting for, you know, the time that I'm going to get it. I think it's after 100,000 subscribers or whatever it is, but I'm going to get it. But anyway, so this workshop was really fun. I mean, we had guest speakers, we had really good food. Like a lot of times I go to these events and the food is like subpar, but no, this food was really good. You know, they had the ingredients if you wanted to make a mimosa and a nice good sweet tea. So overall it was good. I love looking at the other vision boards, and I was like, whoa, when I saw some of those vision boards, I was like, wow, my vision board is a baby vision board compared to them. They're manifesting or they're envisioning a lot, but your vision board is going to be true to you. So this year I'm also going to do a digital vision board, and I'm going to do that on a YouTube video probably the beginning of the year. I'm going to do step-by-step instructions on how you can make your own digital vision board with things like Canva and Pinterest. So stay tuned to this channel if you would like to see that. But anywho, today was a fun day. It was very eventful, and it was really fun, and I enjoyed it. So I hope you are enjoying this Vlogmas. This is day 14. I cannot believe I've made it this far. I'm almost done. And I don't know if I'm going to keep the vlog style videos on my channel. If you think I should, you know, put that in the comment section below. Maybe I'll do a vlog video every once in a while. But typically my videos are all about home decor, organization, and planning. So with that being said, thank you very much. Please subscribe to this channel. And if you haven't picked up your planner for next year, The Divine Life and Home Planner for 2024 is available. It's at a few bookstores in Dallas, Texas, and then also in Fort Worth, Texas, and then also you can get it from Amazon. So I will leave that planner link in the description box below. So thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.